how to stretch video on CapCut. So if you want to stretch video on CapCut, then what you need to do is first open up your CapCut application. So open up your CapCut. Once you've opened, you can simply select a project. So you can tap on new project and then you can select a video. And once you've selected the video, now what you can do is simply swipe right side. And once you swipe here, you will have aspect ratio. So tap on aspect ratio. Once you've choose now from here, you can stretch your video. So you can simply choose the TikTok or YouTube, or you can choose the 1.1 ratio, which is for the Instagram, and then again 4.3 ratio, which is for the YouTube. So you can simply choose any one of these ratios. Once you've choose, you can simply drag your both fingers or use your both fingers to resize your video. So you can simply resize, or you can adjust the video. So that's it. That's how you can stretch your video on CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.